Hey kids, today we've got a cow shed for the cows, a pond for the animals to drink from and play in, some trees for some shade, and a road. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's that in the back? It's two cows. Moo, moo. Okay, let's get the cows and pop them in the cow shed. Cows go into cow sheds so that they can rest, sleep, and also be milked. There you go, cows. Oh, what have we got in the back of the tractor? We've got some fences and a sheep. Looks like the farmer wants us to put up a fence for the animals. Let's build it here in front of the cow shed. Alright, let's open it up and pop the sheep inside the fence. There you go, buddy. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's that in the back? It's a llama. Did you know that a llama's shaggy fur can come in different colours? From white through to reddish brown and black. Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? Oh, we've got some more fencing and it looks like we've got a chicken. Okay, let's build the fence across the front here so the animals can't escape. Okay, let's pop the chicken on the farm. Did you know that chickens can lay eggs up to once a day? Wow! Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? We've got a piglet and a pig. Oink, 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 oink. Hey, do you want to go in the water? Yeah, I'd love to. Let's go. This way, the pigs can cool off. This is one way pigs keep themselves cool. Enjoy the water, pigs. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? It's a dog and a sheep. Woof, 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 woof. I think this dog wants to round up the sheep. Oh, I think the sheep knows where they need to go. Okay, let's get the sheep in here. Whoops. And the dog will help it get inside the fence. Good job, dog. Dogs make a woof or bark noise to communicate to other dogs, animals, and humans. Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? It's a cow. This cow wants to go to the water first so that they can have a quick drink. Okay, let's pop you in the cow shed with the other cows. I think we can squeeze them into the middle. Don't forget to close the gates. Who's in the back of the tractor? It's a sheep. This sheep looks like the mum. Hi, Mum. We're a bit hungry. Can you get us some food? Sure, I'll get you some food. It looks like the sheep's brought them back some grass. Sheep love to eat grass, so let's give it to the lambs. Oh, they look like they're loving it. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, it's a duck and a goose. Hey, do you reckon there's any water around here? I think there must be. Let's go check it out. Oh, there's some water. Let's jump in. Splash. Okay, now the goose. Splash. Enjoy the water. Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? It's a brown horse. Horses make a neigh noise to communicate with each other. It sounds like this. Neigh. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's that in the back? It's an emu. Emus can run really fast. Wow, look at them go. Oops. Sorry, llama. Sorry, I didn't mean to bump into you. I hope you're okay. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? It's a goat and a baby goat. Oh, whoops. Let's pick up the goat and fix up the fence and let them through to be with the sheep and the cows. Oh, and they look like they're a bit hungry. Come on, baby goat. Mum, where'd you go? Mum, oh, there you are. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's that in the back? It's a white horse, and I reckon they're here to see their friend. Hi, Charlie. Hi, Tim. How's it going? Come back here. There's plenty of room and plenty of grass to eat. Okay, I'm coming. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? It's a baby donkey and an adult donkey. And it looks like the adult donkey is carrying some water. The water must be for the animals. Donkeys are usually used to carry heavy loads for the farmer. And it looks like the goat enjoyed their drink. Alright, donkeys, let's pop you inside here with the other farm animals. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, the tractor's here. What's that in the back? We've got some fencing, a chicken, and some eggs. Alright, let's build a little chicken coop with our fence for the chicken and the eggs to go into. First, let's pop the chicken in, and then let's pop the eggs in. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, who's this flying in? This is a bird. This bird's name is a kookaburra, and they look thirsty. Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? It's two rabbits. Oh, I reckon I can jump higher than you. Oh, let's have a look. I can jump higher. Yay! Okay, you win. Oh, thanks, buddy. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's that in the back? It's an alpaca. Oh, and a mouse. What are they doing? Oh, they've left. There they are. They're on the roof of the cow shed. Nice spot, mouse. Okay, let's pop the alpaca over here with the horses. Alpacas love to eat plants and grass. Don't forget to close the gate. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.